Namaskaram everyone, how are you all doing? This is Varsha Dekne and I welcome you to my channel. Today I will be showing you Diwali Mela. This vlog is specially for Diwali Mela which is held in Kansas City Hindu temple. There is this one stall which is so close to my heart which I will be showing it to you soon. Almost all the states from India were present there, showcasing their food culture which was showing unity in diversity. This video was originally recorded in Marathi, but I am giving it a voiceover in English for some special reason because there is this awareness which I want to create and reach out to as many people as I can. So let's go. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. And yes, this is the stall which is so close to my heart, which is creating awareness about soil degradation and the impacts of soil degradation on overall humanity. And look at the creativity. Because it is Diwali, they have the lamps color in Save Soil theme and it's Halloween, so they have colored pumpkin in Save Soil theme. They kept all the flyers for the upcoming Isha programs. To attract more and more people, they kept very delicious, mouth-watering pani puri. And very interesting slogan was wow, what energy and excitement. They prepared Banarasi Meetha Pan as well. So what is Save Soil movement? Save Soil is a global movement to address the soil crisis by uniting people across the globe to stand up for soil health and support leaders of all nations in actioning policies towards increasing organic matter in agricultural soil. This movement is launched by Sadhguru, addressing the crisis like food crisis, water scarcity, loss of biodiversity, climate change, loss of livelihood, and many more. If you really love and care your children, please do check the description box to know more about Save Soil. They sold all the pani puris and they were able to reach many more people and talked about Save Soil movement.